Hey, it's Mac Norris, and in today's video, I'll be discussing my last sales for the past 10 days, and most of them are coming from eBay, but some are from Poshmark. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you gain any knowledge or any value from this video, please like, comment, or share. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Diamonds on my neck, gold in my girl, diamonds on my neck. All right. On January 6th, I sold a pair of blue Converse shoes, and the buyer paid $27.50, and I bought these shoes for $6. The next sale on January 6th, I sold a vintage Russell Athletics shirt for $16, and I paid I paid $3 for the t-shirt. On January 6th, I sold a pair of G-Star raw denim jeans, and these sold for $39.99, and I paid $8 for the jeans. On January 7th, I sold a Brooks Brothers tie, and the buyer paid $17, and I paid $2 for the tie. On January 8th, I sold another Brooks Brothers tie, and the buyer paid $15, and I paid $2 for the tie. On January 8th, I sold a Kohl's brand short sleeve button-down shirt, and the buyer paid $25, and I paid $6 for the shirt. On January 8th, I sold another Brooks Brothers tie, and the buyer paid $15, and I spent $2 on the tie. On January 10th, I sold yet another Brooks Brothers tie for $15, and I paid $2 for the tie. On January 12th, I sold a Buffalo Sabres Coho red alternate jersey from the 90s, and this jersey sold for $94, and the buyer paid shipping, and I paid $6 for this jersey. This was a great flip. On January 12th, I sold a pair of vintage Fila ski gloves, and the buyer paid $15, and the buyer paid shipping as well, and I spent $2 for these gloves. On January 13th, I sold a pair of Fry boots, and they sold for $80, and the buyer paid shipping, and I spent around $10 to $12 for these boots. On January 13th, I sold a men's Woolrich button-down plaid flannel shirt for $24.30, and I paid $3 for this shirt. And this next item I actually sold once. It sold for $43 free shipping, and this was a TI 84 Plus Silver Edition graphing calculator, but the buyer returned it, stating that it had a short in it, and when I tested it out, it did seem to work. Everything was working fine for me, but I accepted the return, and I resold it again for $15, and I sold it for parts, and the buyer paid shipping. And on January 14th, I sold a pair of women's True Religion Holly mid-rise skinny jeans, and those sold for $25, and the buyer paid shipping, and I paid $8 for this pair of jeans. On January 15th, I sold another pair of women jeans. They were Hudson bootcut corduroy jeans, and those sold for $35, and I paid $8 for these jeans. On January 17th, yet again, I sold another Brooks Brothers tie, and the buyer paid $15. I spent $2 on this tie. On January 17th, I sold a Coogee sweater for $125, but this sweater was huge. It was 4XL, so it took a little bit longer than what it normally takes for me to sell a Coogee sweater, but it had to get the right buyer to come along to purchase it. And I bought that sweater for $7. The next sale on January 17th was Bonobos blue jeans, and it sold for $22, and the buyer paid shipping, and I spent $8 for these jeans. So not a great flip, but still money was made there. And on January 17th, I sold a Nike Pro Combat Men's fitted shirt, and this sold for $16.40, and I got this shirt for $3, so decent profit. And all together from eBay, that was 19 sales, and there was it totaled out to be $638.50 gross sales, and after PayPal and eBay fees, that came out to be $555.50 gross profit. And the last few sales are from Poshmark. The first sale was a Bonobo slim fit Oxford long sleeve shirt, and this sold for $18, and I paid $6 for this shirt. The next sale was a shiny bow tie, and it was actually from my prom, so this was something from a personal closet, and the buyer paid $13, and I was happy to let it go because it was a really nice tie. It wasn't a like name brand or anything. It was just a really, really nice tie, and somebody could appreciate it. So the last sale was a pair of Nike Flex Fairy running shoes, and those sold for $25, and I paid $6 for the shoes. The total sales were it was 3 sales, and the total came out to be $56 in gross sales after Poshmark fees. That comes out to $44.80 gross profit. And if you combine eBay and Poshmark together, the gross profit was $600.30 in a total of 22 sales. But this was from the past 10 days, and I have not been listing like I normally do, but that's all my fault. I started school, so I got to get used to the schedule. But as soon as I get used to the schedule, I'm going hard. I'm trying to make $1,000 in gross sales or gross profit a week, and I know I'm going to get there, so that's great. And if you found any value in this video, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos like this frequently. So have a great day. Peace.